how you can apply for a job in Upwork. Now, let's just start. First, go to upwork.com and just go to the initial work page and go to find work. Now, right here, you'll be able to just search for jobs that you want. You can search for the type of jobs you're looking for, even projects. And after you do that, you will see the list of jobs, available jobs. Now, just go ahead and open one up, whichever you are interested in. Now, let us do this. Now, when we tap on a job, a sidebar will open up like this with the job's description. So, right here, you will see the different descriptions. Now, there is a price. This is the amount you will be getting after the completion of job and the skills and expertise needed for the jobs. Now, other than that, there are also few more informations regarding the jobs. Now, there are 10 to 15 proposals and interviewing 4, invites in 26, and so much more. So you can even see the client's history. So after you've seen all that, you can just tap and apply right here. There should be an apply button right here, but you need connects to apply. Now there is a concept called connects. You can even buy connects, or Upwork will provide you with connects every month. So you can just buy connects by yourself, or you can just uh, wait for Upwork each month to just give you with the connects. And after that, just tap and apply right here. And after you tap and apply, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to just fill in the details about you and your work, or need to even submit an cover letter or something like that. And after you do all that, you will just be able to apply for this job. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you apply for a job in Upwork. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye. Take care.